Hey guys, welcome back to the Cumbrian Homestead. It's 24th of April today. The shades are a bit of a giveaway. We've got a full sun, glorious blue sky, just a very gentle breeze, and on the car thermometer it said 18 degrees C, which for this time of year in the northwest UK is pretty outstanding. Anyway, I've been down on the plot, came down this morning for 2 or 3 hours and I planted some things out. I'll show you those in a minute. So what I'm wanting to do now is plant my Mangetout peas. So let's get on with it and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is the piece of ground I cleared, well, not cleared, it had black polythene over it. I just loosened the top 1.5 inches with a garden claw tool, and then I've planted here on the right side is multi-sown chard, and to the left is multi-sown beetroot variety Bolt Hardy, and again just planted them directly in some of the municipal compost which I bought this year. So to this side on the right is where a row of Mangetout are going to go, about an 8-foot row. They're in gutters, so I'll show you them in a second. Okay, so here's the peas. I can't remember exactly how long it is since I sown them. I can look back in the diary or something, but anyway, they're in 2 4-foot gutters, and hopefully, if we get it right, they should just slide out into the prepared bed. So the next step is I put up my pea frame. So this is just basically chicken wire. It's about 3 foot wide on a couple of wooden stakes, and I've got a couple of road pins just there just to help support the wire. So now we just need to give the peas a good soak in first. Hopefully that should be enough. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to use a draw hoe to make a shallow trough or a depression in the soil next to the chicken netting. Then into that little trench trough I'm going to put 2 or 3 handfuls of grow moor at ratio of 7:7:7. Then I'm just going to get a little fork and just mix that into the soil a little bit more. Well, that's one in. It hasn't quite just made up the row. It's a few inches short, but that's alright. So now what I'll do is I'll just backfill some of that soil back into and just firm them in. I'll come round and do round the other side as well. Okay, so very happy with that. Now the only other thing I've got to do is put some protection over them, because we have a lot of wood pigeons, unfortunately, that are uncontrolled, unmanaged, and they really love pinching the top, pecking the tops. So I'll be back in a minute and I'm going to put some kind of protection over it. So what I've done is I put these frames are off what do you call it, a fire guard, and I've just secured them at the bottom with these U-shaped wires, pegs, and then just tie them in at the top with a bit of jute twine, just in case the wind direction turns, and if it comes this way from the west, you know, it would blow them over. So hopefully that'll keep the pigeons off. Right, now the other thing I want to do is I want to plant some sweet peas now, so we'll go and have a look at that. Okay, so they're going in here at the far end of the plot. So in preparation, I've just, again, similarly to the no-dig, I've just loosened the top 1.5 inch soil. I mixed in a bit of grow moor, and then I put an inch or so of the municipal compost along. So now we'll just get them planted in. If you can see that, they're certainly ready to go out. So we'll just give them a watering in. So those left there, they're going to go over onto the micro orchard. I'll plant them out by the hazel frame that I made, so that's for another time. Right, so I'm just going to quickly update you on the greenhouse, and that's it for now. So this is the 8x10 greenhouse. It's the last of the stored beetroot. It's still keeping very well. I've just given some away, in fact. And these are the last of the overwintering lettuce. Most of them are run to seed, so I've been pulling them out. The Brune de Veur are looking really good though. They should last a while longer. So obviously one of the things, the next thing on the list is really to start preparing the greenhouse ready for the tomatoes. This is the 8x6 greenhouse. So in here, 2 of the cukes have come through. We've got 3 out of 6 courgettes so far. I'm hoping that I'll get another 1 or 2. So we've got the dill. That's transplanted dill, and here I've actually sown some asparagus. I saved some seed from last year. Strawberries have got some flowers on, and the pongo beans from Bill and Val, they look as though that's got really great germination, so very happy about that. And I'm going to do a full video on these are the grafts, the apple grafts that I took, and you can see they're looking pretty good. So, but I will save that for a full video. Oh well, it's been a good day. I've spent longer than I intended, but anyway, it feels good to get planting out now. So the middle bed's fully planted. This far bed here is half planted. So we're definitely getting there. So anyway guys, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much as always for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And why not drop me a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'll catch you next one. Bye for now.